This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.
Hello, stock watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Thursday, December 13th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets and the top movers to look out for today. Now, today's headline news are brought to you by On-the-Go Technologies Group. On-the-Go Technologies Group focuses on marketing high-end software and hardware products to the Fortune 1000 and SME business communities, as well as pioneering practices that are quickly becoming a key part of the Canadian healthcare IT digital imaging industry. Now let's get right into the headline news for Wednesday. Wall Street closed only moderately higher in an erratic session as investors remained unconvinced by a Federal Reserve plan to work with other central banks to alleviate the global credit crisis. Energy futures rose sharply Wednesday after the government reported unexpected declines in supplies of crude and heating oil last week, and the Federal Reserve announced a plan to help banks weather the credit crisis. Crude supplies fell 700,000 barrels during the week ended December 7th, according to a weekly inventory report from the Energy Department's Energy Information Administration. Analysts had expected a 100,000 barrel increase. The markets opened this morning with the Dow up 41.13 points, or 0.31%, the Nasdaq up 18.79 points, or 0.71%, and the S&P 500 up 8.94 points, or 0.61%. And now let's look at the small cap news that Quality Stocks is tracking for you. Small cap headlines today are brought to you by Motivox Incorporated. Motivox Incorporated, an internet broadcast company, produces audio and video media content for target audiences. It provides production services for various original, live, and pre-recorded internet talk radio programming on its Voice America network, as well as provides software solutions that create digital online audio-visual media for business-to-business and business-to-consumer communications. The QualityStocks.net daily newsletter would like to highlight Uranium Energy Corporation as one to watch, up 1% at $3.35, with 55,400 shares traded. Uranium Energy Corporation shares have seen increased attention this month as the company continues to release positive press releases, including the company's recent move onto the Amex. Uranium Energy Corporation is a junior resource company committed to becoming a near-term ISR uranium producer in the United States. The company controls one of the largest historical exploration and development databases in the nation and has also acquired advanced uranium properties throughout the Southwest. Central European Media Enterprises closed yesterday with 189,360 shares traded. The company began when its founder Ronald Lauder imagined a better world where freedom of speech and thought would govern people's lives, where a consumer economy would power economic growth, and where the growth of independent commercial television would yield great financial returns. Ronald Lauder's vision has now been realized. Central European Media Enterprises award-winning stations reach approximately 91 million people. Pressure Biosciences Incorporated is a life sciences company we have followed for much of this year. Now, Pressure Biosciences Incorporated shares were hit with an inexplicable sell-off this week, due in part to investor confusion linking Pressure Biosciences Incorporated and Panicos Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Pressure Biosciences sold off its interest in Panicos over 6 months ago to strengthen its cash position. This drop in price may give investors a chance to jump on Pressure Biosciences shares at a reduced price. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to the QualityStocks.net daily newsletter for the latest news from small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow right here on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.